Everybody tryna change my mind, yeah. This is why I keep my lifestyle on the low. Cause nowadays everybody don't need
YouTube, what is up, yo? Back again. My YZ125, you know what I'm saying, man? You know, back in the garage. Had an upgrade from the last heater. I don't know if you remember the last heater I had, but that thing was doing no justice. So we got right with the Waltz. I don't even know what this thing called, but it's an air propane gas heater. This thing is booming right now. Warm up the garage real quick, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know if you guys remember from my last video, but I'm still having trouble getting the bike started right now. So I went back, did some more research, and I also bought some more parts for the bike to kind of make it look, you know, make it look a little more newer, you know what I'm saying? So we already got new plastics and all that, brand new plastics. And what I did was bought a new air filter, got a new air filter here, seat cover. Got some new grips because these grips is done for, man. These grips is done for. These are the grips that's how I got them when I bought the bike. So got some brand new grips. I got a part for my carburetor. It actually sits on the bottom right here. So this float bowl, it's actually a clear float bowl. So like when you turn the gas on, you can see the gas going to the bottom of the float bowl. So that's something I got. And right here is it's actually the brake. It's actually this right here. I gotta figure out how to take this off. I honestly don't know how to do that, but that's what that is. And first I wanted to take the carburetor off, get that off, and I wanted to clean it out again because I cleaned it out about 2 months ago. I cleaned it out, but since then that's when I ran into my next problem, not being able to start the bike. And I just want to go back in there, clean it out again, and make sure that nothing is clogging it. And if that's not the problem of my bike not starting, then I really don't know what it is. I guess I'll just have to wait till it's summertime or when it gets warm out and try to figure it out. But in the meantime, I'm going to install these new parts I got, the air filter, because this is the next thing. I was kind of bugging. This is the air filter right here. It's completely different. Like, I've cleaned it before multiple times, but I think it's time for a brand new one, you know what I'm saying? I've cleaned it multiple times. It was working good before, but like I said, it's time for a new one. That could be the problem. It could be the carb. I got good compression, I got good gas, fresh gas. So it can only be those 4 components that's causing my bike not to start. So I'm gonna keep fighting. I'm gonna still figure it out. And let's get these parts installed, shall we? All right, guys. I went ahead and got that carburetor off. Got the subframe off, then throw the carburetor off. You know. And just from first looks, it doesn't look too bad. I don't really see anything that could be causing it to do what it's doing, but you don't really know until you open it up. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to open it up, take this float bowl off, and then this is the new part I got here. I'll show you guys right now what it looks like. So like I said, it's a clear bottom, so that when you when you turn the gas on, you can see it fill up. And yeah, so we're gonna get this installed, and like I said, change the air filter that's over there, add in a few more parts, and see what she does. So I just pulled the bottom of the float bowl off. It's clean on the inside, extremely clean. And this part that's supposed to go on the bottom here that I ordered, of course, doesn't fit. So I don't know why I keep buying Chinese parts. Every time I buy something from China, they always send me some dumb. So I'm gonna just put that regular bowl back on. But looking at it, you know, the flow was kind of adjusted. Like, okay, I probably need to adjust it to right there, because every time I put it down, it sits like that. So I got to get it like straight. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna definitely go through it, spray with some carb cleaner, and spray some air through all the ports, and then we'll put it back together, you know? All right, guys, I guess I just got done cleaning the carb. I set the float level again, as you can see. Now it's perfectly parallel with this line right here, if you know what I mean. I can't really point right now. And also, this hole right here in the middle where I think the main jet goes, when I was cleaning it, I realized I couldn't see straight through it. Because when you look with the blind eye, you can see straight through it into the light, like so. When I was doing that, I couldn't see anything. And then when I started cleaning it, I realized the hole got much bigger and it cleared out and I was able to clean it. So I'm not sure if it was like frozen liquid in there or something. It could have been that, honestly, because where I'm located right now, where I'm living, it's mad cold up here, and it's definitely possible that gas could have definitely you know, frozen up in there, or attempted to get a little solid, turn into a solid liquid, and that's possibly what happened. I also cleaned out the pilot jets, as you can see. So I think that's the main jet right there. The main jet was clogged up too with some type of liquid. I got it out, cleared it up. So now I'm about to just put the rest back together. I already cleaned the carb itself already, sprayed it with some carb cleaner that I got here, some air. And I'm gonna put it right back on the bike and, you know, gonna get right back to it. All right, guys, we got that carburetor back in, nice and neat, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm putting the subframe back on. This is the hardest part about taking out the carb, though. When I take the carb out, I take this the shock bolt out, and when I do that, it's like you gotta lift this swing arm up to a certain degree and hold it in the right spot just to get the screw back through here. So I'm about to get my sister right now, have her help me out real quick, and then once we do that, to throw on the new air filter, because this one is done with. I'm gonna clean this air box out a little bit too, and then spray some air or something through it, get it nice and clean, and then I'm gonna kick her over and see what happens. All right, guys, just got that shock bolts back in with the help of my sister. And then I went ahead and I installed the new air filter. Brand new, you know what I'm saying? Here's the old one, like I said. Look at the condition this thing was in, man. I honestly tweaked on not replacing this sooner, because this is the air filter. Oh shit, what was that? Something just fell off in there. But this is the air filter that was in the bike when I bought the bike about a year and like 3 months ago. And I honestly tweaked on not getting a new one sooner. Of course, I used to clean it, but I just never thought like I would need a brand new one. So it's a good thing I got this brand new one now. So we all set there. Throw that in the trash can. Now I just gotta put the gas tank back on, right? Connect the gas line back to that carb. And we gonna see what she do, man. Let's get it.
Reincarnated like you supposed to call. 438, it's on my stop. Reincarnated like you supposed to call. Reincarnated like you supposed to call. 438, it's on my stop. Hit no dick on the block. Shoot him, move all this gets in the car. I had to seek myself. See people like bull. I had to bring myself to hustle. I never needed no help. Fuck, cause I'm not keeping it down. Like, fuck the dog, please be a help. I was in them people house, why them people down? Broad, they don't still running off. I don't need help. All kids, we in the block, we don't need help.
had fresh gas, brand new piston. I just never changed the air filter, and I guess I had to clean the carb. I guess it was the carb the whole time. Let's go, man. Idling perfectly too. Smoking crazy. Neighbors gonna hate me, but I don't care. There she is, guys. Finally got her started, you know what I'm saying? I actually turned the gas off so it could just run out, so there's no gas left in the fuel line or in the car, you know? So all that run out. You know what I'm saying?
Already know. See you with Jacob last week, it's like any money, no. See you the real reason why they say don't trust all. I've been focused on myself, I ain't giving up no time. And it's been a little minute since you ran across my mind. So okay, cause I've been stabbed in my back too many times. This ain't the first time, so I know I'm gonna be fine.